Hey everybody, it's Alex from the session team here, and today I'm going to be walking you through how to add a contact in session. With your contacts, you can obviously send them direct messages, and you can also add them into groups that you are a part of or that you are creating. Adding a contact, there's kind of two steps required to add a contact. So first of all, from one side, somebody's going to have to initiate the conversation. So if I tap on the green plus here on my desktop and go to new message, so this is where you would enter either a session ID, which is that long string of numbers that you're probably familiar with, or you can also enter an ONS, which is basically a way to just have a shortened, readable version of a session ID. Now I actually have the ONS-A, so it's very convenient for adding myself as a contact here, because I can just put the letter A, click next, and it's figured out what the session ID is based off of that, because it is mapped to my session ID. And then I can type a little message and just say, hello world, and send that to myself. And you'll see on my mobile device in just a second, on the other side, you can see a message request has popped up. And so I can go into this message request and I can see that there's this hello world message. And now I have a few options here as the person who has received the message request. Now I haven't actually added this person, this Jane Doe, as a contact just yet. All I have is a message request. So I can either accept the message request, I can block Jane Doe, or I can just decline the message request, which will remove it from my message requests, and you will not add Jane Doe as a contact. I suppose the secret fourth option is you can just also reply, which is effectively the same as accepting the message request. And so I've replied hello, and then you see on the other side that that response has come through, and all of my profile information will now load for Jane Doe because I sent that back when I accepted the message request. So you can see a profile picture as well as my nickname pops up there, which is just Alex. And you can also see now, instead of a message request, I have a new contact in my conversations list, which is Jane Doe. And that's it. Now we can add each other to groups, we can send each other messages, we can call each other, we can also send each other images and other attachments, which you can't do until you've added somebody as a contact. And that is it for adding a contact on session. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.